In this video, I'm going to show you how you can hide common offensive words in replies on your Threads account. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So if you no longer need certain offensive words to appear in your replies on your Threads account, it's pretty simple. Log into your Threads app and then tap on your profile icon down below. From here, head to these two lines to access settings, and under settings, go to content preferences. Here, go to this option, hidden words, and if you tap on this, now we have an option to hide common offensive words in reply. You can also enter your custom filters by just tapping on new filter, and this will enable you to add word by word here. So go ahead, enter the words that you wish to be hidden. You're told by choosing this custom option, if a reply to one of your posts uses these words, only the person who wrote it will see it and your audience won't see it. Alternatively, you can choose this first option, hide common offensive words in replies. And you can see currently this option is turned off. So you need to toggle this on. And you're told that comments that contain common offensive words will be moved to a separate section. However, for this, anyone can tap to reveal them, or you can choose to show them. So this option is less restrictive. However, the custom field is more restrictive. Choose the one that you wish. So that's how you can hide common offensive words on your replies on Threads account. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.